Hey guys, I meant to do this in class, but time got away from me this week and I was out Monday. But I just wanted to talk to you real quick about how we're going to do our presentations on Monday, and they will possibly bleed over into Wednesday. Um, Whatever you've done your work in, whether it's Illustrator or Photoshop or InDesign or whatever, um, I need everybody to export their artboards or their individual pieces out as PNGs. It's the easiest way to do it. And once you have a PNG exported, I'd put them all in kind of the same folder on your computer. Just put them like in a portfolio or midterm portfolio folder or something just on your computer, just so that you have access to all of them. Now, what we're going to create is we're just going to create a real quick digital portfolio, which will contain the first three projects. Um, and these projects will be in the order that you upload them to in Bridge. And that's what I'm about to show you how to do. Now, it may be Bridge 2018 or Bridge 2019. They'll both look basically the same and function the same way. So let's go ahead and open up Bridge. We're going to start our presentation somewhere around 10:30. So if you don't get to do this until right when you get there Monday morning, we'll do this first thing Monday before we present. Um, I don't know which workspace is going to pop up first, but if you just go up to Window, Workspace, and go to Output, we want to be looking in the Output workspace. The fastest way to get things into Bridge is to take your folder that you have created and have all your PNGs in, take it and drag it from Finder and drop it on top of the Bridge icon, and it will automatically open that folder up. Now, the way that we're going to set this up is up under Output Settings. You're going to go to the Template, and you're going to go to Maximum Size. Page size up under Document is going to be letter. It's going to make it 8.5 by 11, and you can choose whether you want it to be portrait or landscape, but it will stay consistent throughout the entire presentation, so pick whichever one you want. Resolution you can leave at 300. Quality you can leave at 8, not that big of a deal. Grids, everything should be basically just one row, one column. Nothing's going to change on this one. What I do need you to do is up under the header and footer category, I need you to check include header. And on the right side, I need you to type your name. Okay, dash, and then just put 2115 midterm portfolio. Header font can be whatever, 12 point. Not really concerned about this, but definitely want you to have your name up here and your 2115 midterm portfolio. And that's pretty much it for this. For the setup, then what you're going to do is with the contents of your folder, you can command click pages or files, and you can drag them and drop them into it. You can scroll through. Let's say I want this one to say this is part of my second project. Take these and drag these in. So I'm going to grab that one and that one. I'm going to drag those in as well. And let's say I'll include this last page. And I'm just holding down command and clicking. And you're going to drag all of your pieces into this. And what you'll end up with is a multi-page portfolio that we'll be able to click through real quickly and look at all three of your projects. And when you've got them all on here, I need you to click on Export to PDF. You're going to save it as your name underscore 2115 underscore midterm portfolio. Save it wherever you want. And basically what you'll have is your PDF, and you're going to take that PDF and I've got a folder here called Midterm Portfolios. Right here, we're going to turn it red. And you're going to drop your midterm portfolio PDFs right inside of here. Now, since we went through Bridge to create these, they're probably going to be fairly small, which is good. And we'll just click through these, and we'll scroll through your projects. And that's how we would do our presentations on Monday. So sorry we didn't get to do this in class. Hopefully that helps. If you struggle, or if you're struggling, we'll try to knock it out first thing Monday. And try to get to class a little bit early if you can. And I'll wrap my Photoshop demo up, and we'll knock this out real quick. All right, I'll see y'all Monday.